Hello, digital pioneers. Ready to arm your next personal project with the kind of firepower usually reserved for launching satellites? Let's explore some hilariously over-engineered data science project ideas that'll have your computer questioning its life choices. First up, lemonade stand analytics. We're giving your childhood lemonade stand the big data treatment with Google's BigQuery, armed with the transactional data of your 3 loyal customers. Hi, Mom. Use BigQuery to perform deep analytics on your sales trends. Discover insights like sales increase when it's hot outside, with the computational power usually reserved for genome sequencing. Dive into BigQuery at cloud.google.com/BigQuery, where even the smallest lemonade sales dataset deserves big data analytics. The sandwich predictor. Can't decide between ham or turkey? It's time for machine learning overkill with TensorFlow. Collect data on a handful of sandwiches and train a deep learning model to predict your lunch preference. Yes, it's like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut, but who wouldn't want their sandwich selection powered by the same tech that's driving autonomous vehicles? TensorFlow's tutorials at tensorflow.org will help you predict your lunch preferences with unnecessary computational power. Grocery blockchain. Next, we're securing your grocery list from tampering with the unbreakable security of blockchain technology. Every addition of eggs or milk will be a transaction in your personal grocery blockchain. Because if there's one thing more secure than your diary lock, it's a decentralized ledger. Ethereum's blockchain at ethereum.org offers the perfect starting point for immortalizing your shopping habits. Quantum Netflix dilemma. Finally, use quantum computing to tackle the hardest question of all: what to watch on Netflix. Deploy a quantum algorithm to sort through your options and make that crucial viewing decision. Sure, a quantum computer might currently cost more than your entire neighborhood, but can you really put a price on not having to scroll through Netflix aimlessly? Quantum computing resources at quantum-computing.ibm.com can help you harness qubits for your viewing pleasure. Deep learning for deciphering pet whispers. Ever wonder what your pet is thinking? Let's not settle for mere speculation. Introduce deep learning to truly understand those barks and meows. Utilize a neural network with more layers than your pet has fur. Train it on every sound your pet makes, then watch as it translates meow into "I want some milk." It's possibly a bit over the top for pet communication, but we love our pets and just want to understand them. Explore deep learning models for audio processing at pytorch.org to start understanding every bark and purr. AI-powered plant watering. Plants need water, but how much? Forget about reading the soil. Let's bring AI into the mix. Set up an array of soil moisture sensors, then use an advanced AI algorithm to predict when your fern needs a drink. Sure, you could just touch the soil, but where's the fun in that? Welcome to the future of gardening, where your plants are hydrated on computational predictions. Visit scikit-learn.org for machine learning algorithms that could, theoretically, optimize your plant watering schedule. Predictive text for grocery shopping lists. Tired of writing out your grocery list? Let's harness the power of predictive text models for that. By analyzing your past shopping habits, a state-of-the-art language model can predict you need eggs before you even know it. You may even get unexpected suggestions like marshmallow fluff for your next keto diet. GPT's capabilities at OpenAI.com can revolutionize how you shop, predicting marshmallow fluff before you even crave it. VR meetings for data analysis. Analyzing data in 2D is so last century. Why not conduct your data reviews in a virtual reality space station? With each dataset as a floating hologram and your colleagues as avatars, discuss statistical significance while orbiting Earth. Practical? Hardly. Memorable? Absolutely. Unity's VR development resources at unity.com can transform your data meetings into an interstellar experience. Satellite imagery for finding your keys. Misplaced your keys? Forget turning the house upside down. Let's use satellite imagery to locate them. Employ machine learning models to analyze satellite photos of your home and predict where you might have left them. It's the kind of solution that solves a simple problem with the complexity of a Bond villain scheme. The Google Earth Engine at earthengine.google.com can, hypothetically, aid in key-finding missions with global satellite imagery. Our last project, your personal cat blog. It's time to treat those feline photos with the respect they deserve by deploying a Kubernetes cluster. Imagine each cat photo wrapped in its own container, scalable, and ready for the 2 people who accidentally click your blog link. Kubernetes isn't just for apps at scale. It's for making sure Tittle's Tuesday tantrum post can withstand a Reddit hug of death that'll never come. Check out Kubernetes official documentation at kubernetes.io to deploy your next viral cat meme with the reliability to handle your 2 loyal followers. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete toolkit for turning everyday problems into data science extravaganzas. Who said practicality was necessary for innovation? Not us, that's for sure. Love this deep dive into the world of overkill solutions? Hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a laugh or possibly a reality check on their next project. Remember, in the realm of data science, sometimes the journey is more absurd than the destination. Keep exploring and stay whimsical.
And go on to StrataScratch.com to get data science resources. Thank you.